Ever said something in anger and wished you could grab the words back? Anger isn't the enemy. Uncontrolled anger is. Today's 7 science-backed tools to go from reacting to responding. Name it to tame it. Anger is often a mask for deeper states. Hurt, fear, shame, overload. Say out loud, calmly, "I'm feeling anger rising." Then ask, underneath, is it fear? Hurt? Overwhelm? Labeling emotions reduces amygdala reactivity and gives your prefrontal cortex the wheel. The 90-second rule. Intense emotional chemistry spikes and passes in roughly 60 to 90 seconds, unless we keep fueling it with thoughts and triggers. When you feel the surge, do this. Breathe low and slow for 90 seconds. Inhale 4, exhale 6, through the nose if possible. Don't solve. Don't argue. Just breathe. Let the chemistry pass. Change state. Change story. Anger is body first, story second. Stand up. Unclench jaw. Drop shoulders. Open palms. Exhale long. Look at something far away. Then ask, what else could this mean? A new posture and breath create space for a better interpretation. The HALT check. H, hungry. A, angry. L, lonely. T, tired. If any are true, you're primed to snap. Fix the basics first. A glass of water, a snack with protein, a 10-minute break, 1 supportive text. Regulate physiology, then revisit the problem. Boundaries greater than outbursts. Anger spikes when boundaries are crossed. Instead of exploding, set clear, calm lines. I want to talk, but not while being interrupted. I'll continue at 6 p.m. when I'm calmer. If the volume goes up, I step away for 10 minutes. Boundaries turn anger into action without aggression. The 24-hour rule. Cool off before consequence. If you're tempted to send the final message, post the rant, or quit on the spot, wait 24 hours. Draft it. Don't send it. Tomorrow you will thank today you for the delay. Repair scripts that actually work. Anger ruptures connection. Repair rebuilds trust. Use this 3-part repair. Impact. When I raised my voice, that was hurtful. Responsibility. That's on me. Plan. Next time I'll take a 10-minute break before we talk. Repair isn't losing. It's leadership. Micro tools you can use today. Box breathing. 4 in, 4 hold, 4 out, 4 hold, repeat 4 times. Cold water on face or wrists for 30 seconds. Walk it off, literally, 5 to 10 minutes at a steady pace. Anger journal. Trigger, feeling, body signal. What I did well, what I'll try next time. Design your anger protocol. Write this down. Early signals. Jaw clench, heat in chest, rapid thoughts. Default action. 90 seconds of breathing. I'll be back in 10. Boundary line. If voices rise, I pause the conversation. Repair line. I'm sorry for my tone. I want to fix this. Prevention habits. Sleep, protein plus fiber meals, movement, 10-minute daily unwind. When to seek extra help. If anger leads to threats, property damage, or any violence. If it's tied to trauma, substance use, or feels out of control. A therapist or anger management program can give tailored tools and safety planning if needed. Remember, anger is a signal, not a strategy. Feel it. Name it. Move it through the body. Then respond with boundaries and repair. That's real control, not suppression, but direction. Comment your early warning sign, jaw, heat, thoughts, and which tool you'll try first. More psychology, fewer regrets.